This is the second part of the storm. This is a river, basically. That's not supposed to be a river, that's our yard. And all the stuff on the ground is hail. Yeah. So it's really a lot. All that stuff is like water droplets. All the splashes in the river. So yeah. Yeah. It's pretty bad. I don't know how a video captures this, like I said, but if you can kind of see it through here, let's see if I can get closer. I don't know. But the street is like flowing, like completely flowing. I don't know how good it is to on camera. You can probably barely see it. I can barely see it through the camera, but we'll go see if we can get a better shot of it. Just a sec. There's a better shot of a river. Yeah, that's in our neighbor's yard over there. It's hailing right now, and I don't know if we should really have the door open, but yeah, so there you have it. Alright, bye.